Bears are among the most fascinating and iconic mammals on our planet, captivating human imagination for centuries. Their origins date back millions of years, with ancestors that roamed the earth alongside some of the earliest mammals. Today, there are 8 distinct species of bears, each uniquely adapted to their environments, yet sharing common traits that define the bear family. Bears are found across a wide range of habitats, from the icy tundras of the Arctic to the dense forests of North America, the mountainous regions of Asia, and the tropical jungles of South America. The polar bear, for example, is perfectly adapted to life on the sea ice, relying on its thick fur and a layer of blubber to insulate against freezing temperatures. In contrast, the sun bear thrives in the humid rainforests of Southeast Asia, with its short, sleek fur and an unusually long tongue for extracting insects and honey from tree crevices. The diet of bears is as varied as their habitats. Most bears are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and animals. The giant panda, however, is a notable exception, subsisting almost entirely on bamboo. Grizzly and black bears consume a wide range of foods, including berries, roots, fish, and small mammals. The polar bear is the most carnivorous of all, preying primarily on seals. This adaptability in diet allows bears to survive in some of the world's most challenging environments. A bear's life is marked by distinct stages, each with its own challenges and milestones. Cubs are usually born during the winter months, in the safety of a den. At birth, they are blind, hairless, and completely dependent on their mother. The mother bear cares for her cubs with remarkable dedication, nursing them and keeping them warm until they are strong enough to venture outside. This period of maternal care can last several months, and in some species, cubs may stay with their mother for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills. Reproduction in bears is a fascinating process. Most species mate in the spring or early summer, but the fertilized egg does not immediately implant in the uterus. This phenomenon, known as delayed implantation, allows the female to time the birth of her cubs with the most favorable conditions, usually during winter hibernation. The number of cubs varies by species, but typically ranges from 1 to 4. Bears are generally solitary animals, coming together only for mating or when a mother is raising her young. They are known for their intelligence and keen sense of smell, which they use to find food over vast distances. Despite their size and strength, bears can be surprisingly agile, able to run at high speeds, climb trees, and swim across rivers or even icy waters. Throughout their lives, bears face numerous threats. In the wild, young cubs are vulnerable to predators and other dangers, while adult bears must contend with habitat loss, climate change, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of many bear species, particularly those like the polar bear and the giant panda, whose populations are at risk. Bears have long held a special place in human culture, symbolizing strength, resilience, and even wisdom. From ancient myths to modern conservation stories, the relationship between humans and bears continues to evolve. By understanding their origins, habitats, diets, and life cycles, we can better appreciate these remarkable animals and the vital role they play in the ecosystems they inhabit. Through ongoing research and conservation, there is hope that future generations will continue to share our world with these magnificent creatures.